Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga. To change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, go ahead and open up the game on your device, and once you end up in this map page, tap the profile picture at the top of the screen. Now as you can see that I have my own picture on my Candy Crush Saga's profile. If you want your own picture as well, you can go ahead and connect Candy Crush Saga with Facebook account, and whichever profile picture you are using on your Facebook will also appear on the game. If you just want to choose one of the avatars from the Candy Crush Saga account, simply tap on your profile picture under profile and then tap on edit. Now from here you can select different avatars available. Choose one of the avatars you'd like to use as your profile picture or profile avatar, and right after that you have successfully added a new profile picture or changed your profile picture. So that way you can easily update your profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.